The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a tornado warning for west central Hamilton County in eastern New York, central Herkimer County in eastern New York, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near McKeever, or 9 miles southwest of Old Forge, moving east at 30 miles per hour. The tornado will be near First Lake by 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, West Canada Lakes by 7:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Precautionary/preparedness actions. When a tornado warning is issued based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground or is expected to develop shortly. If you are in the path of this dangerous storm, move indoors and to the lowest level of the building. Stay away from windows. If driving, do not seek shelter under a highway, overpass,